Look at me, dude. Look at me. What do you see? You see the preset guy. You don't see the plugin guy. It is time for me to elevate above the plugin guy. No, wait. Fuck. The preset guy. Okay? It's time for me to be the greatest in the field, dude. It's time. It is time. It is so time. Oh my god, it's so. This is a voiceover. I don't really do these, so I don't really know what to do or what to say. But I'm brainstorming right here. You can see I'm brainstorming. Oh my god. All right. So here's what I'm gonna have in the plugin. I gotta have a pan. Gotta have a bit crush, ghost, like a love filter EQ type vibe. Distortion. I want to have a gross beat thingy, mabobber thing. I want to have a reverb and delay, and I want to have a flanger or flangus. I think we kind of got something, dude. I think, yo, underground effects, bro. That's what these are, bro. Oh my god. Are you ready? Oh my god, I don't think that you're ready, dude. Oh my god. Okay, wait. Oh my god, open your eyes. Oh my god, look at it. Oh my god. Oh. Okay. So we have the bit crush, like I said. We got, oh my god, we have everything I said. It's literally all here. It's literally beautiful and perfect. It's literally here, dude. So first thing I gotta say, Benevolent. He did the reverb and delay and part of the ghost, and yeah, he helped it a lot. So it's like also his. So he might make a video on this too. Point is, I'm gonna show you what everything does. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. We're just gonna go one by one. I'll tell you what it is, and then I'll play it, I'll let you hear it, and then I'll just go over and over and over and over. Okay, so the first thing is bit crush. Bit crush is like, if you know Eric Doa, he used to do a thing called Dante Red, which was like another personality or account or some BS. Point is, it had a lot of bit crush, so that's kind of where it got big.
Wait for a minute, bad though.
Also, don't turn everything all the way up. Make sure it's like 3/4, maybe halfway. I never go above that because it might be ear piercing. Next thing is the flanger. I went for flanger instead of flangus because I feel like flangus is just so like one sound. Flanger is like a whole bunch of different sound. So like I kind of just
wait for a minute, bad though. She a devil girl, but want pomade shows on the ass though.
That is what it sounds like. It didn't really get popularized by anyone. I don't think. I kind of just something that like you just use. The ghost is like the most popularized thing of all time, from Veli to Jay Sadlibs. It's like, dude, everyone knows the ghost.
Wait for a minute, bad though. She a devil girl, but want pomade shows on the ass though.
Again, be careful turning it all the way up because it will be ear piercingly loud. I'm not gonna do it in the video because it's gonna be ear piercingly loud. But be careful with it. Underwater. This kinda was like, I mean, Jade's entry log. He did it on his vocals.
Wait for a minute, bad though. She a devil girl, but want pomade shows on the ass though.
Kind of just like drowns out your vocals. Then you can do like an automation clip where if you right click on this and press create automation clip, you can make it so it fades into it. So like it like, or like it's already underwater, then it fades out of the underwater. So it's like it's coming like back into your ears. I don't know. Pretty cool. You can do something cool with that. Reverb. Okay, reverb and delay are side chained in this. So that means whenever you're talking, you won't have any reverb or delay. But whenever you stop talking, it'll come in. For example, I'll show you. So here's delay and reverb, right? I go to the end of this where there's like a gap right here.
No, that's my motto.
You can see it comes out the end like very, very strong, but whenever I'm saying something, it doesn't have any. Benevolent did that. I have no idea how to even begin to do that. He is a mastermind, dude. I don't know. That's something that I think is very cool because it's very, very easy and fast to just have that. The next thing is the distortion. The distortion is very, very strong. I recommend not turning it up too much because it will hurt your ears. I do like 1/4, maybe 30%, like to hear.
Wait for a minute, bad though. She a devil girl, but want.
That was like 60% and it was that loud. I'm not turning all the way up because it will hurt your ears. Next thing is pan settings. Pan settings is, I think, Veli kind of, not, I want to say Veli popularized it, but he kind of did a little bit. I don't know. So the thing with it is the speed is how fast it'll go in between your ears. So if I turn it all the way up, for example, it'll like really bounce between your ears. The mix has to be up for the speed to work, by the way. So if you want the speed to be like, you know, very, very noticeable, turn this all the way up. What this is how much the vocals will be affected by the pan. So if it's all the way up, like you'll hear it.
Wait for a minute, bad.
Like that is in your left ear, like heavily.
Wait for a minute, bad.
Now it's going fast in between. So that's just how that works. The stutter and helicopter are both gross beat effects. So here's helicopter. I think summers or autumn. It was around that time this kind of came up and was like being used popularly.
Wait for a minute, bad though. She a devil girl, but want pomade shows on the ass though.
With this, you could do some cool ad-libs. That's what I kind of think this is more of a thing. But yeah, other than the stutter is a 3-peat. I think it's every single bar. It will 3-peat, you'll hear it.
Wait for me, bad though. She a devil, but want pomade shows ass though. Tryna find an high road.
So you can hear it. It kind of just like 3-peats, triple repeats, whatever, stutters. I don't know what you want to call it. I call it stutter. That is the plugin. I think it just speeds things up so much, and like it's just knobs, like, and like it takes 2 seconds to turn it on. Also, there are other colorways. Okay, so there's red, there's blue, there's a dark mode. Dark mode's the best. It just is. Or the pink. It's pretty equal for me. You'll get all of these. It's on my website for $25. So I'm gonna show you how to get it on the website now. Also, oh my god, a whole new website, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god, you're gonna love it, bro. Oh my god, hold on. Okay, so I'm on the website. You don't have access to this yet, but oh my god, look at it. Isn't it so beautiful? Like, oh my god. All right. So the way to get the plugin, whenever this comes out, go to plugins right here. That's it. It's literally a button press. When you open this up, this is the pictures. This is everything you get with it. Reviews. Please leave reviews. Please leave. Yo, I didn't need to go. Please, I'm begging you. Please, just one. Oh, so to get it, you can go to Lilith presets and then Lilith products. But yeah, I think that's it for the little plugin video. That is that. Also, oh my god, the song is gonna be out at the same time the video drops. Oh my god, the song is so good. Yo, I'm just gonna play it. I'm gonna play the full song. I'm just gonna play the full song from right here to the end right now.
Wait for a minute, bad though. She a devil girl, but want pomade shows on the ass though. Tryna find that high road. I can't meet my idols. And she sneak back through the side door. And I don't really want no hoe, that's my motto. Love all the bros, thanks kite for the line before. I'm not really on my phone no more. I'm not really on the go no more. Never tryna do a show no more. And she know I got hoes galore. And she always wanted more. And I can't give you that. She tryna run it back. I make the birds like stat. I make the hoes like jack.